Navien Tankless water heaters are designed to deliver hot water instantly, but when an ignition failure occurs, the unit won't light the burner, and you'll be left without hot water. This usually shows up as an error code on the display panel. Ignition failure simply means the system tried to start the flame, but couldn't successfully ignite or maintain it. To understand the issue, it helps to know the key parts involved. The igniter creates the spark that lights the gas. The flame sensor confirms that a steady flame is present and shuts off gas if it doesn't detect one. The gas valve controls fuel flow to the burner, and the flow sensor tells the system when hot water demand begins. If any of these components malfunction, ignition can fail. Start troubleshooting by checking the exact error code on the display, such as E3 or 001. Next, confirm the gas supply is fully open and that pressure is adequate. Clean the air filter and make sure vents are clear, since restricted airflow can block ignition. Inspect the igniter and flame rod for dirt or visible damage, and check electrical connections for looseness or corrosion. Also verify proper water flow by cleaning the inlet filter and ensuring normal pressure. If needed, power the unit off for 30 seconds to reset it. If ignition still fails after these steps, it's time to call a qualified technician, as gas and electrical components require professional handling.